All right, next for edge cleaning flour on the carpet, I have a 2011 Hoover Windtunnel Max. That'll be good enough. Let's see what happens. A lot of agitation on this machine. You know, that's not bad. And of course I use the edge that has the airflow. I guess you'd have to remember to do that. So there's a little white line right along here, but that's not bad. And then let's, ooh. All right, so it smashed a little bit against the edge of the wood. Okay, that's not a big deal so much. There's just a little bit down here. So overall, this is actually pretty good. That is not bad at all. All right, so on to the next one. This one gets a pretty good grade for edge cleaning.